Hey guys, what's up? This is Navin and I'm back. So since classes is about to start in a couple of days or weeks, I know that some of you will start their classes or begin their school on June 5 or later. And I know that some of you are having mixed feelings because some are excited to go to their school and some are a bit sad because summer is about to end. But guys, be positive because magkakabaon na tayo. So ito na yung pinaka-iintay natin sa wakas. Magkakabaon na tayo. So, baon means money and money means, what you guys think? So, money means food. So, hashtag food is life. So, for today's video, I will be doing again another haul. Kahit kaka-haul ko lang yung Divisoria haul kung napanood niyo yun. So, yun. For today's video, I'm going to do another haul which is the back to school supplies haul. And alam kong marami sa inyo ang na-excite kapag namimili tayo ng mga school supplies. But guys, just only buy what you'll be needing in school para makatipid tayo or to save money. So guys, saan pa ba tayo makakakita ng mga school supplies kung saan kompleto na lahat, nandun na lahat? So dun lang tayo makakakita sa nag-iisang pambansang bookstore ng Pilipinas, which is the National Bookstore. So yun, corny, diba? So yun, so bumili lang ako ng mga gagamitin ko sa school. And sakto lang yung nabili ko ngayon compared last year kasi ngayon I'm incoming grade 11, magsi-senior high school na ako. And I think yung mga kailangan na lang talaga yung dapat bilhin. And just a reminder guys, I'm not bragging or something. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga napamili ko and it might help you and add an idea to you when buying your own school supplies. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the things that I got from SM Department Store and National Bookstore. So, dalawang shop yung pinuntahan natin. So, alam kong alam niyo yun. So, let's start with the things that I got from Department Store or the SM Department Store. So, guys, dun alam niyo yun na dun kayo makakakita ng mga bags and affordable siya, guys. Makakita kayo ng mga iba't ibang klaseng bag. So, anong gusto nyo tatak, nandun na. So, itong nabili ko bag na to ay bubuksan na natin. So, wait lang. Yung nabili kong bag ay galing sa, hulaan nyo kung saan galing, ay galing sa Hawk. So guys, kung tatanungin nyo ako kung bakit Hawk yung napili kong tatak is because since I was in elementary, Hawk na yung bag ko. So nag-start ako dun sa stroller, yung hinihila, alam kong alam yon. Then I switched to Hawk backpack when I entered high school. And masasabi ko talaga na matitibay talaga ang mga Hawk bags and it is more durable compared to other brands. Guys, bumili lang din ako ulit ng bagong Hawk bag kasi I'm entering a new level which is senior high. And I got this bag for 3,500. So alam ko guys, medyo mahal but gaya nga ng sinabi ko, matitibay yung Hawk na bags. And what I like about this bag is yung trendy style niya and yung color niya kasi guys, pandalaki, which is dark green, tapos may touch ng brown, tapos marami din siyang pockets which you can organize your things sa school. And most importantly guys, yung durability. So guys, don't worry because Hawk bags offer free repairs kapag nasira yung bag nyo. So, hindi nyo na kailangan palitan, ipagawa nilang at yun. So guys, I also got another Hawk bag which is unisex that can be used by my sister and me of course. And it is a smaller one because sometimes when exams are about to come, you will be needing smaller bags. Alam kong alam yun. And I only got this for only 1,000 pesos. So, ang kulay niya guys ay dark blue and with a mixture of gray. So, yun. So, guys, let's now move on to the most exciting part of this back-to-school supplies haul. The things that I got from National Bookstore. So, let's start with this very essential thing that you should buy or should never forget to buy. This ball pen. Got this black and red ball pens from Faber-Castell and it only costs 10.75 each. And yeah, I got red and black because black is for writing and red is for checking. Plus a tip, ingat-ingat din tayo kasi once na nalaglag yung ballpen nyo, ay may naka-ready ng pupulot niyan. So guys, lagi nyo itong ilalagay sa mga pencil case nyo kasi yun, tag-ubos ng ballpen minsan. Alam kong alam. Next thing that I got are this markers. So, black markers. Pero iba't iba siya, guys. So, ito muna is whiteboard marker from Faber-Castell ulit. So, it only costs 44.75 pesos and magagamit nyo to kapag sa mga recitations nyo sa board or mga board work. So, guys, next yung Sharpie na black na fine marker. So, ito magagamit nyo to for outlines. So, kapag sali kayo ng mga poster making or may projects kayo, maganda to pang outline. So, next naman na nakuha ko is yung pilot na permanent marker. So, this is very essential kapag may reports tayo sa mga subjects natin na kailangan natin i-hand out. So, yun, magagamit natin tong permanent block marker. So, I only got this for only 40 pesos. So, guys, sunod na nakuha ko is yung Dong A na blue ball pen, which is a finer one na manipis to, guys, kasi minsan pang outline nyo rin to, and magagamit ko rin to sa mga reviewers ko kasi kapag gumagawa ko ng reviewers, gusto ko rin yung may ibang color, yung mga important words para madali mong ma-memorize. So, I only got this for only 19.75 pesos. Kung nakuha is yung set ng mga pad paper. So, meron tayong 1/2 crosswise, 1/2 lengthwise, 1/4, and yung 1 whole. And this is very useful, guys, kapag may mga short quizzes or seat works tayo sa school. And you can also use this for scratch paper. Mas maganda bumili ng isang pack na para hindi na tayo mapamahal kasi I only got this for only 65.50 pesos. So, guys, next ko nakuha is this yellow pad paper. So, magagamit ka din to for my reviewers kapag may mga quizzes. Or sometimes kasi, guys, yung mga prof na papalabas rin sila ng mga yellow pad papers for activities, ganon. So, magagamit din natin to for future use. So, ito ay only 34.50 pesos. So, yung next kong nakuha, guys, is itong mga art papers or construction papers. Kasi, guys, may gagamit nyo kasi ito, guys, for sa mga projects nyo, which is pwede kayong mag-cutouts na pang-design nyo. And pwede nyo rin ito magamit sa mga reports kung gusto nyo yung mga smaller handouts lang, hindi yung mga cartolinas, magagamit nyo rin to. So, I only got this for 32.50 pesos each. So, guys, ito, nabili ko lang din to last year. So, bumili ulit ako ngayon. So, ito yung plastic envelope. So, lagi na akong alam kung bibili nito kasi, guys, naging useful siya nung grade 10 ako kasi na-organize ko yung mga files ko. So, para hindi, guys, mawala, dito nyo siya ilalagay. So, very useful to. So, I only got this for only 44.75 pesos. Next thing that I got are this clear folders. So, may kasama na siyang slides. And I only got this for only 12.25 pesos each. And magagamit natin to kapag may mga projects tayo. Usually, di ba, dito natin nilalagay yung mga paperworks natin kapag may papasa. And mas gusto ko, guys, yung clear folder rather than din sa mga normal na folder, yung mga white folder. Kasi, guys, mas maganda yung clear yung harap niya para pag may front page tayo, makikita agad kung sino yung nagpasa. Guys, ito yung hindi mawawala sa ating school supply haul, which is our notebook or yung ating mga notebook. So, kumuha lang ako ng binder notebook, yung may mga fillers. Kasi, guys, kapag incoming grade 11 or magsi-senior high or magka-college ka, mostly mga ganito na yung ginagamit. Kasi mostly sa mga profs, nagpapapasa na lang sila ng mga fillers for their subjects. Gustong-gusto ko yung nasa harap niya kasi meron siyang quote na, "Work hard in silence, let success make the noise." And meron din dito sa likod na, "Strive for success." So, I think ito na yung magiging araw-araw ko na quote para magsumikap tayo, guys. So, yun. So, I only got this for only 179.75 pesos. Lang ako ng mga extra fillers kasi minsan yung prof para may extra kapag naubusan. So, I only got this for only 54.75 pesos and meron na siyang 4 na pieces na fillers. Guys, kung nakapanood kayo nung last school supplies haul ko, meron akong separate na notebook and bumili lang din ulit ako ng separate na notebook ng pang personal use ko lang. So, yung dito ko ilalagay yung mga to-do list ko kasi minsan, guys, diba, kapag may mga pinapagawa yung teachers natin, minsan nakakalimutan natin. And bumili lang din ako ng sticky notes for only 42 pesos na magagamit ko rin for my to-do list or reminder stuff. And pwede nyo rin ito gamitin sa mga books na pwede nyong i-stick sa mga pages para maalala nyo kung may homework man kayo doon or activity. So, yun. Very useful din tong sticky notes. At, guys, dahil mahilig na mahilig ako gumawa ng reviewer, bumili na ako ng isang set ng bond paper. So, ito ay 500 sheets na yung laman niya. So, for only 217.75 pesos. So, ang size niya guys ay 8.5 by 11. So, ito yung letter size. So, bumili ako ng short white bond papers kasi magagamit ko to for reviewer. At minsan magagamit nito kapag nagpapadala yung mga teachers or profs natin ng mga bond papers for activities. Guys, don't worry kung madami to kasi magagamit nyo to for the whole school year or sa mga susunod pang year hanggang sa maubos ito. So, yun. Yung next ko mga nakuha is puro mga pang-project na. So, nakakuha ako ng 3 pieces na pencil na nasa isang pack na siya. So, only got this for only 21.75 pesos. So, ito yung Mongol na number 2. So, alam ko guys, alam nyo to. Bumili lang din ako ng eraser kasi minsan, di ba, napupudpud yung mga eraser ng pencil. So, bumili lang ako ng Artline na eraser for only 15.75 pesos. So guys, nakakuha din ako ng isang ruler from Orions which is 29.75 pesos. Minsan guys, kailangan natin to kasi minsan yung mga professor or teachers natin kapag nagpapa-activity sila sa one whole bond paper, minsan kailangan ng margin yung 1/2 or 1 inch na margin. Minsan kailangan yun. At minsan, di ba guys, kapag wala tayong ruler, napipilitan tayong gumamit ng IDs natin. Or minsan, tansya-tansya na lang. Ako ng Elmer's glue. So, ito yung brand na glue na lagi nating binibili, yung Elmer's. So, bumili ako para may pandikit din tayo. Tapos, yun, bumili din ako ng all-purpose glue stick para hindi naman minsan messy yung gawa natin. Or kapag nagmamadali tayo, hindi na tayo magkakalat yung glue. Ito, stick na lang natin to at yun, didikit na siya. So, bumili lang ako ng all-purpose glue stick for only 21 pesos. At ito guys, 34.75 pesos lang yung malaki. Tapos, bumili din ako ng scotch tapes kasi minsan kailangan to sa mga reports kapag magdidikit tayo sa board. Kailangan natin ng scotch tape. So, ito yung scotch 3M. So, ito for only 30 pesos each. Next thing that I got is this highlighter. So, alam kong alam nyo to kasi when exams are about to come or quizzes, seatworks, kapag nagre-review, you will need to highlight those important words. Alam kong alam nyo yun. But sometimes guys, we tend to highlight all of the important words hanggang sa parang ma-highlight mo na ata yung buong isang page kasi lahat importante. So, I only got this for only 29.75 pesos. So, pareha sila ng price. So, hindi ko alam kung ba't ako bumili ng maliit at yung medyo mataba. So, and guys, bumili lang din pala ako ng index card na magagamit natin minsan for or biodata na pinapapasa sa mga teachers. Minsan nanghingi sila neto para ilagay mo yung personal infos mo. So, I only got this for only 19 pesos from Catlea. Guys, ito bumili lang din ako ng Manila paper. Hindi ko alam kung kakailanganin namin ito sa senior high, pero malay mo, diba, para ano na din, ready na rin minsan kapag may mga reports, baka magamit ko to. So, ito guys, 6 pesos lang to. Tapos, I think, 2 piraso na to or 2 sheets na siya sa loob nito or yung laman. The last thing that I got are some correction tapes that I only got for only 34.75 pesos from Orions, and I will use this kapag nagkakamali ako. Kasi guys, 'di ba, lahat naman ng tao nagkakamali. Pero minsan guys, bakit ganun? Parang ikaw na lang lagi yung kinakikitaan ng mali. And that is it guys. So yun na lahat yung napamili ko from SM Department Store and from National Bookstore. And kung nagtataka kayo guys kung bakit wala akong giveaway dito sa Back to School Supplies Haul, is because open pa yung Divisoria Hall giveaway ko until May 28, which you can win some patches and Gorilla Pods. So for the full mechanics, you can check those in the description box dun sa Divisoria Hall natin. And guys, before I end this video, would like to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. Thank you for appreciating my videos every time I post a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video for today. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below some topics that you want me to do with my next videos. And subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button to be notified whenever I post a video. So bye guys, see you in my next video.